Class A Corvette in this style with a hardtop. Although we do wish it was a split window, but sadly that costs a lot more. But going into the one we have here, featuring a white and red exterior. As you can see, they have added the shaker hood. Still has that cool design of the hideaway headlights. Does have the wired style wheels with the star spinner caps. Does give it that lovely little old-fashioned design. Moving on to the interior now, as you can see, to fit the rest of the old Corvette style, they have made it much red. Twin bucket seats, 4-speed manual. Of course, you can definitely tell looking at the shifter, that is one nice little Corvette cap. Other than that, as you can see, it does have a red, first time I've ever seen a red 3-spoke steering wheel. Some minor adjustments. As you can see, there is a retro sound 2-knob radio added to the vehicle. Other than that, it is a pretty different kind of Corvette. One thing I did want to mention, I forgot, is that as you can see on the bottom of the floor mats and right where the shifter sits, they added protective plastic to really preserve the old-fashioned style of the car. Everything is working: speedometer, gas gauge, tachometer. Moving on to the engine bay, featuring a small block Chevy motor. And it does have AC, that's why they finally had a vent up here. Other than that, it does have an upgraded pulley system. It does have headers, and the best part about it is it has those side pipes to really give it that mean sound. One thing that makes this better than a Cobra is you don't have to ever worry about burning your leg on the side of the car. One of the nicest things made by GM. But other than that, now we're just going to get it safely turned around and up on the lift, so please stay tuned to see the underneath.